Hi guys, Enda here from TrendSpotter, up 3,320 on 3 trades in Roku. Let's dive right in. So, as you know by now, I've increased my position size to 2,000 shares on Roku. My account can handle that. And what happened was I had 2 winners and 1 loser. So let's have a look at the loser. So the first one was a loser. Bit gutted by this actually, and I let it run down more than I should. I gave it the full kind of 52 cent job. But yeah, so ignored all this. I should have taken this one, but those ones I'm just not great about. Actually, no, technically I shouldn't have. Sorry, there, 930. Okay, so this was the first one here I took, right here. So what I did was I went long after the little folly knifey thing. I got in here at 86.20, yeah, right there actually. And it only gave 59 cents, and I got stopped out in here at 85.68. Is it, or yeah, in around there. It was way too low. I should have stopped. I saw it going red. I saw it cross the EMAs. I saw it go low the VWAP, and I kind of stayed in there and whatever. So down $1,040. You can see it there. Bit annoyed about that. So kind of stayed at it anyways. And then I got my first win here. So there was the win. Short position in here at 10.16. Yeah, right there at 84.94. And I had to stay in this one a bit longer. So basically it kind of came down here. It didn't give me my full dollar. Didn't trigger it anyways. And then kind of consolidated here. And I was like, okay. And to be honest, at this one, I was kind of saying to myself, right, I'm going to take like 50 cents if it doesn't pan out, right? But eventually it did. It panned out here. Now it would have been a bigger move too, I suppose. It would have been a $1.82 move, but I did get my dollar on that. So it's fine. I think it was $1.05 or something. And then the next move is right here at 11. I think I missed this one. Missed that one because I was actually chatting away in the chat room, but got this one. So 11. What time is that? 11:11. Sorry. Yeah, there. Yeah. So again, remember, don't like red candles. Got in on this 11:11 at 86.10 right there. Long position 86.10 and straight up. So I was only in this one like a few minutes, 4 minutes or so, and it was in here. It's halfway up that actually. It stopped it. And that was a 2,260 win. This one was a 2,100 win, and this one was a 1,040 loss. That loss should have been smaller. Wasn't paying attention. Okay, but this move anyways turned out, as you can see, it was a much bigger move. It was a $2 move, but I'm still happy with my little wins. Okay, let's see what happened to Nvidia today. What happened with Nvidia? So looking at Nvidia, 930. Okay. And there's your entry, 933, but no buy signal, 34. And again, don't get in on a falling knife. And plus, if you look at that, it opened at 252.38, and that's at 251.38 almost exactly. So that's a dollar pullback that I would always assume is going to happen unless you're in by the EMA. So you should have got in here at 935 on the turn, which is about 251.68, let's say, even 251.70. Long Nvidia, you could have got a nice $2.59 out of that. The beauty about getting in so close to the EMA is that if it does decide to pull against you or pull back, you can get out rather quickly, okay? And then a nice hard sell off on that, and a sell position if you were to sell there. Now, there's a tiny bit of me that if you took that and it was going right up against you, I would have lost a full dollar on that, I'd say. But Nvidia and Netflix, I think they're kind of $1.50 to $2 stop losses. They're bad, hard to trade, because you need a stomach for it, and I don't have that in fairness now. So probably losing trade in there of $1, but you're back in anyways. Remember what I said: stalk the stock, get back in. Okay. So let's have a look at this here, right over here. Nvidia, and that gives you a $3.39. So nice move up there. You get the full move on it at 339, and again short. So there's your short position here. This one you kind of had to wait a little longer on it, but if you got in short here, what's the 58 down to 85, 60 cents? Yeah, maybe. Yeah, actually, well, technically, yeah, if you got in 253, let's say. So that is a $1.79 move. That's a $2.64 move. Never actually, well, technically, when it went down here, opened up here and then came. Once it opened up there and you got over that, you were just back to break even, pretty much. It wasn't anything sore than that. But there's your 264, and here's Nvidia off again. So that's, look, once you get over the initial moves on Nvidia. So what are we talking about there? That's 62 cent. Yeah, pretty easy on that. 381, or like here. Well, see, it never came back. Once this big candle exploded, it went sideways. So like the only one I'd be worried about would be here. So like there's definitely $2 in that halfway through that candle. Anyways, that's that. Beyond, I didn't even look at Beyond today. Yesterday Beyond there was news on it, but today nothing. So let's have a look where here Beyond. That was a tough one. So in here for a buy, don't buy on those. You see, this is what I'm talking about. So there you go, and then falling. So that would be me out. So really, don't buy on the red candles coming down. So I'd let it go, assuming it's going to keep going. Then it bounces back up. There's a second buy option right there. Go, buy. So on, oh jeez, you can't even see that. Sorry. Okay, there you go. 156. I'll go back and explain that again. Sorry, I didn't realize that was in the way. Okay, so the reason I wouldn't have bought here is because it's a red candle, and then you see this goes red and then red and red and red, and then I'd wait for the second buy, which was there. Now you could have bought it, let's say, if, you know, at the EMAs, you wouldn't have had far to sit through. 25 cent. Okay, so Beyond's kind of stock is tired at this stage now, and the volume really isn't in it. Actually, just let me check the volume here on Beyond. ND. The volume is 2.5 million. Yeah, it's tired. ROKU is on 5.7 million there. You can see that. There. And there. So, anyways, you could have shorted here. Short position. Yeah, on the red. Maybe, look, even if you shorted here, there wasn't a really huge pullback on it. There. 99 cent. Not much. But, you know, a move nonetheless. Okay, and what's left? Netflix. Netflix I really didn't like yesterday. Really didn't like. And look at it doing it again. Chop, chop, chop. Now, this is a beautiful move here, actually, if you think about it. So there's your up, right? And you're waiting for your down, which would be in here. There's your first, so second, in here. And what are you talking about there? 92, 60 cent maximum. Yeah, there you go. So anywhere in here, you could have shorted Netflix. And straight away, that's a $3.32 move. Okay, so that's nice and easy, nice and handy there. And then you ignore that, and then it starts to go buy here. Yeah, I mean, so remember, don't buy on a falling knife, but if you do, you're going to lose here. I mean, you're going to lose whatever. It doesn't matter. You lose $1, okay? Now, you already made your $3. You lose $1. And then this looks like a, look at that short on the upward. So, like, it's just, it's not giving you any room here. That could be another loss on Netflix. That's vicious. Straight up another $1 we'll call it, because, well, let's see, where would you have stopped out? Yeah, $1. But the thing about Netflix is you keep stabbing at it, it will give you the move. I know now that's like when you're $1 or $2 down. But that's, so at least the first move you got $3, right? So if you get back $2, there's another $3 in it for you here if you're patient. And as far as a pullback goes, a 129, you know, they are bigger pullbacks in these stocks, but that's a $8 move. Now, all sorts of emotions, all sorts of things go through your head sitting through this kind of stuff. It depends what type of trader you are, but the moves are in it. And like I showed you there, the first one, you could have got $3 easy. Then, you know, false, that's horrible. It is nasty stuff. But there's another $3 there, possibly $8. And there it is doing side. Actually, and that is mirroring the SPY. The SPY is at that kind of crack now as well, which is annoying me. SPY today was really consolidating for a long time. Let's have a look at this here. So there, look. Well, yeah, maybe. 54 down to 52. It's kind of bouncing at 52 a lot. There. Here, and here. So no, I take that back. It's not really the SPY. Like, Netflix is just doing its own thing, and it does its own thing. So that's really it, guys. Longer than usual. I'm just waffling on here a small bit. Up $3,320 on 2 winners and 1 loser in Roku. Okay, talk to you in the next one. As always, guys, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe for more info, and if you require a trial of TrendSpotter, click the link in the description. Talk to you in the next one.